Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 10 subject social science chapter number 12. The name of the chapter is India Minerals and Energy Resources. What is the name of the chapter, dear children? India Minerals and Energy Resources. It means Bharat ખનિજ અને શક્તિના સંસાધનો. Dear children, first of all we have to learn about the introduction part. What we have to learn? We have to learn about the introductory part. Requirement of primitive man were limited. Dear children, what happened that in the previous time the requirement of the primitive men were limited. You work only for the sustenance of his life. What happened that, dear children? Primitive man was working for the sustenance of their life. Men conquered the hearts of the evolution. Mineral have a large role in the human progress. Dear children, you know very well that the mineral have a large role in the human progression. Mineral is a natural resources. Dear children, that's why we can say that the mineral is a natural resources. The human evolution process is divided into the various age such as Stone Age, Bronze Age, Iron Age and the Modern Age. What happened that, dear children? We know very well that the human evolution process is divided into the various ages. In this age are first Stone Age, Bronze Age, Iron Age and the Modern Age. And currently we are living into the Modern Age. Atomic Age. In Stone Age, the man used the stone for hunting, but now he is traveling into the space. Dear children, what happened that in the previous time in Stone Age, man used the stone for the hunting the animal, but now in the present we are traveling into the space. Man relation with minerals is very old and stronger, and that's why we can say that double M. Double M, it means man relationship with mineral. MM, main minerals, is very old and the stronger. Today the minerals are considered to be the backbone of economic development of any nation. What is the backbone of the economic development of the any nation? Minerals availability is known as the backbone of the any nation of the economic development. US, Russia have become world power only due to the proper use of the mineral. It means whatever the natural resources of the mineral available into the our nation, we are used into the minimum way, and we have to get the maximum output from that mineral, and we have not wastage of that minerals. Both the country are rich in the varieties of the mineral and the prosperity. Even though our country has the potential, the use reservoirs of the minerals, a long-term dependence and the absence of technical knowledge result the lesser economic development. After, dear children, they have to given about the meaning of the minerals. Mineral means means ખનિજ શું છે? The matter which is formed due to the inorganic process has a certain chemical composition is called as a mineral. What happened, the dear children? What is the meaning of mineral? Mineral, it means the matter which is formed due to the inorganic process. Which kind of the process? Inorganic process, and has certain chemical composition. Certain chemical composition, it means ચોક્કસ રાસાયણિક બંધારણ is called as a mineral. In Gujarati you have to say that કુદરતી કાર્બનિક and અકાર્બનિક ક્રિયાઓથી તૈયાર થયેલા અમુક ચોક્કસ રાસાયણિક બંધારણ ધરાવતા પદાર્થને minerals કહે છે. Mineral, it means ખનિજ. After, dear children, they have given that this is the result of a biotic process, and that's why we can say that this is the process of a biotic process which took place in the interior of the earth since the infinite times. The solid, liquid or gaseous matter which is formed due to the specific abiotic process within the rock in the interior of the earth. What happened, the dear children? We are getting the minerals in the form of solid, liquid or gaseous matter which form due to the specific abiotic process within the rock in the interior of the earth, has a certain chemical composition and homogeneous constitution and specific atomic structure. It is called as a mineral. What they have given there? They have given that in the interior of the earth has certain chemical composition
composition and the homogeneous constitution, the specific atomic structure, it is called as a mineral. Iron, magnesium, gold, silver, etc. These all are the examples of the minerals. As a example of the solid mineral, mercury, petroleum, it is the example of the liquid mineral, and the natural gas are included into the gaseous minerals. The types of the mineral that is available from the interior of the earth depend on how the crust of earth is originated. Whatever the dear children, they have to given that the types of the mineral, whatever they are available from the interior of the earth, are dependent on how the crust of the earth is originated. Example, you can say that iron, copper, zinc, gold and silver are the found from the ingenious rock. Whatever the dear children, they have to given them the iron, copper, zinc, gold, silver. These are found from the ingenious rock, and already we are learned about the ingenious rock in standard 9. Energy and diamond are formed from the metamorphic rock. Whatever that, from where we are getting the energy and diamond? Energy and diamond we are getting from the metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks, it means rupantarit khadago, that is known as a metamorphic. After dear children, they have given about the classification of the mineral. What they have given, that classification of the mineral? It means minerals we have to divide them in three parts. One is a metallic mineral, second one is a non-metallic mineral, and third one mineral used as a energy resources. First of all, they have given about the metallic minerals. Metallic mineral, it means धातुमय खनिजों, that is known as a metallic mineral. Second one is a non-metallic mineral. Non-metallic mineral, it means अधातुमय खनिजों, that is known as a non-metallic mineral. And third one, mineral used as an energy resources. Minerals used as an energy resources, it means સંચાલન શક્તિ માટે ઉપયોગમાં લેવાતા ખનિજો, that is known as a mineral used as an energy resources. Now first of all, they have given about the information of metallic minerals. Now metallic minerals was divided into four parts. One, precise metallic mineral, it means कीमती धातुमय खनिजों. Second, light metallic mineral, it means हल्की धातुमय खनिजों. Third, mineral used for the common purpose, it means सामान्य उपयोगમાં લેવાતા ખનિજો. And fourth one, mineral used as a alloy, મિશ્ર ધાતુ સ્વરૂપે વપરાતા ખનિજો. Now first of all, they have given the division of precise metallic mineral are divided in three parts. One is gold, silver and platinum, it means सोनू, चांदी and platinum. Second, light metallic mineral is also divided in three parts. One is a magnesium, bauxite and titanium. Third, the mineral used for the common purpose are divided in iron, copper, lead, zinc, tin and nickel. Iron, लोखंड, copper, तांबू, lead, शीशु, zinc, जसर, tin, कला and nickel. Fourth, mineral used as alloy, it means they have also the four: chromium, magnesium, tungsten and vanadium. After they have given about the non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic mineral, you have to include about the limestone. Limestone, it means चूनाना खड़गो, chalk. After asbestos, अब्रक, phosphorus. After gypsum, it means chirodi, sulfur and diamond. Diamond, it means hira. And next, third, they have given about the mineral used as an energy resources. Here you have to include about coal. Coal, it means coal soup. Mineral oil, खनिज तेल. Natural gas, कुदरती वायु. Uranium and thorium. So dear children, this is the our classification of mineral. They have given in also the our textbook in the form of the chart also. Now first of all, dear children, now we have to learn about the metallic mineral. In metallic mineral, they have to first of all, they have to given about the information of the iron ore. What they have given? They have given about the in detail of the chart. First of all, they have given about the iron ore. Iron ore, it means lokhanda. Iron is considered to be the base of the industrial development. What is the base for the industrial development, dear children? We can say that the iron is considered considered to be the base of the industrial development into the present day or modern world. It is used very widely in the making of small pin to the large machine. It means we are using the iron to prepare small pin to the preparing the large thing, to prepare the machine, car, truck, ship, railway, bridge, buildings and the weapons. It is a cheaper, strong and durable. What happened that, dear children? We can say that the iron ore is also the cheaper, strong and durable. It means sastu, majboot and takaw. It is easily available in most of the country. It has the virtues to mix with the other mineral. Hence, it is considered to be an important mineral. Iron is found in impure condition, so it is mixed with the coke and lime and heated in a large furnace for the refining. What happened there, dear children? Iron is found in an impure condition. That's why it mixed with the coke and lime and heated in a large furnace for refining. The pure iron thus obtaining, it is known as a pig iron. What happened there, dear children? They have to given that the pure iron we are obtaining, it is known as a pig iron. Iron, there are the 4 types of the iron ore found in India. What happened there, dear children? They have to given them. In India, there are the 4 types of iron ore. It means lokhandi kachi dhatu found in India. It means we have to find from the Indian. There were 4 types of. Which are the 4 types? Already I am written there. First of all, they have to given that hematite. Which one? Hematite. Second, they have to given that magnetite. Second one is a magnetite. Third one, limonite. Third one is a limonite. And fourth one, siderite. Fourth one is a siderite. It means these are the main 4 types of the iron ore found in India. Maximum iron ore in obtaining from Karnataka states in India. They also given the name of other states. Orissa, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh are other producers respectively. Besides this, iron ore is also found from Goa, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Assam states. Thank you, dear children.